Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today I'll show you Lion POS SaaS point of sales script. You can see admin panel. This is dashboard, orders 30 days, sales volume, number of refund, then view, sales view, total order. Then another option is restaurant. You can add restaurant, and you can also edit and change status and delete. Then finance, all finance data in here. Then app, system, site setting, language, landing page. Then pricing plan, system, site setting, landing page, pricing plan, page. Then translation, then support, FAQ, web project doc, then mobile app doc, then ticket supporting version, your profile, change your password. If you want this, check out link in the description below. Thank you.